The next activation will be the adductor activation. Now I have an issue with the way adductors are named because the name would imply that they just adduct the legs together. And unfortunately they do a lot more than that. So people neglect the other actions of the adductors, which happen to be internal rotation, flexion, extension, stabilization. So they're very, very important. In fact, there are 6 heads of the adductors, more so than any other muscle in the lower extremity. So you don't have that many choices at the gym for exercises. So it's important to make sure you connect very well to your adductors. So you can lay with both legs straight out. Very good. The top leg will cross over the bottom leg and land here, the heel, just like that. You can grab it with your hand if you like. Good. From this position, this frees up the bottom leg to do adduction exercises. So I'll have you take the bottom leg and I'll have you lift the bottom leg off the table. Very good. You should be feeling it in the upper inner thigh. That is going to be your target. You also have to make sure that you're relaxing your foot. You're not firing anything down there. And also be mindful of your quad firing. You can fire the quad, but just realize if you bend the knee slightly, you'll fire the quad less. You'll feel more in the upper inner thigh. Now, one of the issues with this exercise is that this is a small muscle and it's a large lever. So this is quite challenging for people, especially if they don't have a good connection to their adductors. So you can do the same exact movement if you're laying face up. So go ahead and lay face up, Suzanne. Good. Cross your right leg over your left leg. It'll be a little hard to see this on camera, but hopefully I'll explain it well. So as you're in this position, just think of the same sensation that you had before. Take the straight leg, which is going to be the work leg, bring it across your body as far as it can go. You'll notice that your hips start to hike when you do that, which means you've reached the limit of your hip range of motion. Once you get to this position, then you can try to scissor the legs closed as much as possible, and you will feel the upper inner thigh. Also being mindful that the foot is not there to help. Upper inner thigh only, no foot, no quad, no glutes. This is the alternative activation for adductors.